Hey guys, welcome back to Math in Miss Ball's bedroom. We are going to go ahead and get started. Today I'm combining two lessons into one video. This will be Monday and Tuesday's math. So you will need your lesson 6.4 and your 6.5. If you don't have both of those, go ahead and hit pause, grab them, and go ahead and also grab your cubes, um, your worksheets, pencil, crayon, whatever you want to write with, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started with our number of the day. Go ahead here. All right, let me find my markers. Don't know what I said. Oh, right in front of the face. Sorry, guys. All right, we're going to start with our number of the day. We're only going to do one number of the day on this video rather than two like we would normally do. All right, so here we go. I would like to do the number 9 today. Go ahead and write a 9 in that middle square. And remember, if your 9 looks like the letter P, it is backwards. Flip it around. All right, what number comes before the number 9? Let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 comes before 9. There we go. What number comes after 9? 8, 9, 10. Very good. All right. So we are going to go ahead and color 9 of these cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. We have just one blank one. We're going to go ahead and tally 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we get to 5, we're going to cross it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Very good. All right. Now, the number 9 has a long I. Has a long I. Nine. So we're going to write an N. Nine. 9. And in order for that I to say his name, what do we need to have at the end? That sneaky E, right? All right, down here we have our 10 frame. Now, how many did we leave blank up here? Just one. How many do you think we're going to leave blank down here? Just one. So go ahead and color your 10 frame because we know that 9 is one less or fewer. One less or fewer, smaller than 10. All right, so number 9, draw it. Let's just do something easy. Let's just do circles today. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. And that's your number 9, number of the day. All righty, so we're going to go ahead and get started. It looks like we are going to be taking things apart. Speaking of taking apart, I'm going to go ahead and take that page apart. All right, so what we're going to do is go ahead. I think, you know what, let's not do the cubes today. Let's just color them so it's easier for us to see them being taken apart, okay? So we're going to go ahead and color the page to match the colors that they gave us. All right, so we're going to color these cubes here, same color that they've got. So it says 5. What does this symbol mean again? Minus how many? 2 equals 3. So now what I want you to do is I want you to look at the take apart part of this picture. So this is all of them all together. Now we're taking them apart. Remember, subtraction is when you have something all together and then you pull it apart. So we have 5 all together. How many are they taking apart? 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and mark an X on the 2 that they're taking off. And how many are left? 3. Very good. All righty. So I'm going to just stick with red on this page, I think, just to be easy because I've got my red marker out. So I'm going to go ahead and color those red. Now, what they want us to do is take them apart. We're going to break them apart. So I've got my 1 blue here, and then my 3 red over here. Okay, so I've taken them apart. How many cubes were there all together before we took them apart? 4. There were 4 cubes all together. How many are we taking away? 1. So let's go ahead and mark an X on that 1. All right, now how many are left over? Go ahead and circle that one. How many are left over? 3. Very good. All right, let's go ahead and move down to the next one. Again, I'm just going to keep my red marker. Color this guy in here. How many cubes do you have all together? 3. You have 3 cubes all together. How many are we going to take away? 2. All right, and we need to see how many that is left. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull them apart, just like so. How many are we taking away? 2. How many is left over? 1. Very good. All right, let's go ahead and open up to the inside. All right. So for this page, for this one, since they used red, I'm going to use blue as my second color. I'm going to go ahead and color that one blue. All righty. How many cubes are there all together? 4. Okay. How many are we taking away? 3. And we're going to find out how many is left over. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my cube train taken apart. So I've already taken those 2 sets apart. How many are we taking away? 3. How many are left? 1. Let's go ahead and read that math sentence. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Very good. All right, down here at the bottom, I'm going to keep using my blue. Color these guys in. Now, let's break them apart. Okay, you see how we took apart the 2 different sets? All right, how many cubes are there all together? 5. There are 5 all together. How many are we taking away? 3. And how many are left? 2. Very good. All righty. We've got our little mid-chapter checkpoint to kind of see where we are. Make sure everybody's understanding what we're doing. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in these numbers here. 6 minus 1. Now we're going to draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many in all? 6. How many are we taking away? 1. How many are left over? 5. They didn't ask us, but it's 5. All righty. Well, here's another one like we just did. So let's go ahead and pull those apart. All right, how many cubes in all in this top one? 5. There's 5 in all. How many do they want us to take away? Those 4. How many are left over? 1. All right. And number 3. Number 3. Mark under the number that shows how many are red. How many red cubes are there down here? 1. Easy peasy. Right? All right. Good job. All right, you guys ready to go ahead and jump into the next one? What happens when Miss Ball misses a day? Double up. We've done that before in class though, right? We've doubled up before. All righty, let's go ahead and get our next page out. It looks like this. Got our little fish. You know, Miss Ball really likes either the kids or the animals. I think it's much more fun to look at. Okay. All right, so go ahead and get that fish page out. All righty, so our problem down here, let's go ahead and read this math sentence. 3 minus 1 equals how many? 2. So what I like to do is I like to mark an X on the one we're taking away and draw a circle around the ones that are left over, or how many remain. Okay, so how many fish are there in all? There are 3 fish. That's the number that goes first. How many in all? The second number is how many are taken away. How many fish are leaving? Just 1. So how many fish remain? 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Let's go ahead and take a look at these crabs. How many crabs are there in all? 5 crabs in all. How many do they want us to take away? 2. Those 2 guys. All right, and how many are left? 3. Very good. Read that math sentence. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Very good. All right, check this out. They didn't tell us how many are left. Okay, how many turtles are there in all? 4 turtles in all. How many do they want us to take away? Just 1. And how many are left? 3. Very good. Okay, all right. How many lobsters are there? 4. There are 4 lobsters. How many do they want us to take away? 3. We're going to take away 3 lobsters. So how many are left? 1. Very good. So read that one. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Very good. Okay. How many whales are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 whales in all. How many whales are we taking away? 3. These 3 guys here. And how many are left? 2. Go ahead and read that. 5 minus 3 equals 2. All righty. How many fish do we have? 3 fish. How many do they want us to take away? 2. And how many are left? 1. Very good. All right. Dolphins. How many dolphins do you have? 3, 4, 5. 5 dolphins. How many dolphins are we taking away? 4. And how many are left? 1. Very good. So read that one. 5 minus 4 equals 1. We are not going to do that back page today. Alrighty. Good job, guys. That's pretty painless, right? Doing 2 lessons in one day. All right. Well, I am super proud of you for hanging in there and getting through it with me. If you have not yet done your iReady math lesson, go ahead, scoot over there, do the teacher assigned lesson. If you have some time, once you're done with the teacher assigned lesson, go ahead and do your next lesson that they give you. It's really great practice. Something to do. So that is all I have for you guys today. Join me back here tomorrow, and yeah, we'll do some more subtraction. I hope you guys have a great day. All right, I love you. Bye.